Welcome again to the channel. It's a good time. We are here again to learn something technical in live stream, and of course, we are going to look at in today's quick tutorial. We are going to look at how you can use the scene in OBS, or what we call a nested scene in OBS, to make your live streaming dynamic. Because normally you might be having one camera and you want to do half or a quarter of the screen, you want to have the frame of the video, and then the 3/4 of the screen you want to have maybe a presentation or scriptures, depending on what you want to play there. So that's what we are going to learn today. It's very simple, and I trust that you're going to learn something. This video assumes that you know OBS, you know some of the things that we do in OBS, things like scene. When I say scene, I hope you don't get lost. Anyways, let's dive in and we see how this is done. So right now, I do have my OBS opened, and that's where I'm recording this video. And I have my camera already. I'm using my phone as a camera, so you bear with my quality, but just for demonstrative purposes. So we do have scene 1, which we've already set out, and we have already captured the camera through this video capture device. Now the next thing is we are going to create another scene, which is to create a scene, you just click here on this plus icon, or you can right click in this space and you create a scene. So create that scene. Now this is where the magic is going to happen. So inside this scene, this is actually a feature that OBS introduced that will help you to do this dynamically. Previously we would keep rotating around the camera. We would copy this source and paste it inside here, and it would affect it in a way that whenever you adjust things in the source that you pasted here, it will still adjust on the parent source or the original source. So with this new feature, you're able to do adjustments on whatever you pasted here or whatever you've added here, and it won't affect the parent source. So what do we do? You right click, or you go and click on the plus button down here. We shall right click and go to add. Now in here you will see scene as the source. Of course, you have to update your OBS for you to see this feature. So you right click, add, and then you click scene. So inside here on the pop-up window, you see when you're creating a new scene, they will ask you to do what? To add an existing scene, and then you click scene 1, which is having our camera. You can have many scenes, so you can pick the one you want to nest. So you click on that, and you see that it nests scene 1 within scene 2. So you can now adjust this scene. You can crop it, you can do everything about it, but it will not affect what is in scene 1. You see, scene 1 is still remaining the same. So I can now add filters on this. I can actually now add my mask on this. Let me look for where they are. I have this. This is the 4x3 mask. Then you can see that my camera is putting me in the middle, so I can accept that, and then I can even crop these bounds so that they be snappy. See that? And snap them like that. Then I can now resize this to fit what I want to do with it. Then I can right click, transform, and center vertically, and maybe I can push it over this side. Just reduce center vertically. So now you see that I have this here. Can even make it more smaller. Center vertically. So now I can bring in another source, probably media source, just for us to test. Put it on loop. I'll go and look for a video. Let me drop in this one. So that I'll fit it to the screen and I'll play it. So I'm just trying to adjust so that we have something looking uniform. So that's why I'm trying to vertically center it. And there you go. We have our what? Our um, our video there. Yeah, that's what is it. That is it. So far not so bad, but we can maybe adjust this. Can actually nudge to the left with the left arrow 70. Can also nudge this maybe up to 70, 71. That so that they're quite balanced, and you can see that that's how it looks now. And that is it. Your scene in scene is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more simple OBS tips like this. And got your question, what a specific kind of tutorial, drop a comment below. I'll be able to show it here on this channel. And of course, I'm here for you. Thank you for watching. Don't you forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to receive more of such videos. Thank you very much. Happy streaming.